invite you guys to attend our workshop and ritual, because there's a lot that happens energetically with twin flames. It's not just the physical healing that we go through. You know, we all know it's a spiritual connection, like it's a 5D connection, and we're bringing heaven to earth. So it's the 5D moving into the energies of our everyday life. So much that we learn from rituals, and there is more happening within us, especially when we're doing ceremonies and rituals, to help heal the connection between the divine partners, and also for collectively to heal the templates connected to us, connected to our ancestors, and especially here, like too in Salem, this is a powerful grid point, and it's a powerful vortex energies. And Donna and I, we have done rituals here before.
Collectively are with other people who are on the same ascension path with you, we actually can shift so much within ourselves and within all of this geographic location, and also all the souls who are connected to this place, as well as you know, your ancestors, you know, and everybody else that you are connected to. Here, and we've done other powerful work. We have testimonials posted. It's not something that we take lightly, but of course we actually do have a lot of fun at these things. So it's not just like a workshop where we're working. There is going to be a lot of laughter and fun and silly things happening. Yeah. And you're gonna come out of this. I'm telling you, you're gonna come out of this and you're gonna feel like a totally new person, like a skin has been shed. It sometimes takes time, just like anything. It takes time to work its magic. But as the time goes on, you're gonna see and you're gonna notice and feel your new energy presence. And within that is where you feel your divine union. And that's how you anchor things into this earth, is when you're feeling it and you're in this place, everything gets anchored. And this is the right time to do it, because we have so many energies at that time that are happening.
Yeah, and like, you know, Donna and I, like we channel information as it comes. It's not like we usually have like the agenda set, but like when we're in it, we're totally in it. Like we're fully connected to, you know, divine information, that whatever comes to us, the guides, whatever comes at the moment, at that time, specifically for whoever is attendance. And for a person, you know, yet you'll feel it's more personalized, but yet it's also the collective of the group that is attending and with us. So sessions and doing our own readings for people and clients, expect the unexpected, because it's not like it's not an exact,
you can't plan it.
We can't plan things happening. And you know, we've seen us shift with every ritual. We've seen every person in our group, like, and whoever is attending feels the shift, because you never really know the power of having you know, a group, and you know, us and doing all this unconditional love, you know, words and sentences and meditations and activations and all that. The power of that, you can unlock something that you're not really seeing, that can help you move forward, and it can help you elevate your energy to a much higher vibration, a much higher timeline. So pretty excited about it, and Salem is amazing. It's a spiritual city. It's like all the crazy things can happen here. What stays in, you know, comes to Salem does stay in Salem.
Yeah.
Except for the energies, they go out, you know, because we take it out to the world, and we you know, change people around us because of our energies and about our vibration. So
post all the information in the comment section below. And if you have any questions whatsoever, you know, just feel free to get in touch with either of us. We're always available. All right.
See you
well,
there.
Yeah, see you there. My hands are like gonna be like frostbitten soon, so we gotta go.
gotta go.
All right, bye.